Hi team, good morning. Today we are discussing how to install Angular 17 18, right? So today now just released the 18 version, but we are learning the Angular 17 features. But now it's 18 version it will introduce. So how to by default it install the 18 version. So inside the Angular 17 we are installing Angular 18 version, current version. Okay, latest version. Okay, so first thing we are how to because last day we had discussed about how to execute, how to uh, there are see first Angular 17 Angular 17 we had discussed list of the new features, right? First thing, list of new features. Okay, second introduction. Okay, introduction. Introduction. Third, we have discussed how to upgrade, how to upgrade Angular version. Okay, and then now we are discussing installation. Now we are discussing installation. So installation is a crucial part. So how to start Angular application in your project. Okay, so now I'm going to the one application here. uh, Now we are discussing one Angular application here, Angular 17 one version D. This is a React application desktop. Okay, now in desktop we are going to the type the command cmd, and here there are very important command we are introduced. First thing is npm hyphen version. So need to check this npm hyphen version. Then node, what is your node version? So this is a node version. Okay, so how to install Angular? So here one command npm install hyphen g at the rate Angular CLI. This is a command we can introduce and we can paste there. Okay, npm install hyphen g Angular CLI. This is the command we are installing the entire the application. Okay, okay. So we have already installed the Angular version. So how to check npm install ng version? Okay, ng version is automatically check the Angular version. So see is Angular DevKit 18 version 18 DevKit semantic core and Angular is a CLI is Angular 18 version is installed. Okay, so ng version is a command you can check your Angular version. Okay, so now once you install the Angular version, so you can create ng new and your project name, right? because I am creating Java full stack class. Okay, engine new Java full stack class. I am creating one project, and this, once you enter in this command, so automatically Angular, it will be adding inside the node module, so a lot of dependency so it will be added. Okay, so engine new, this is a command you can execute. You can copy this command, and this is the second step. You can execute, and it will be create the Angular application. Okay, so because now we have already the this command, right, Java full stack class. Okay, so now see, this is a how to use. And once you engineer Java full stack class, here which style sheet format, so see CSS, SAS less, so I want to CSS. Okay, do you want to SSG pre-rendering? No, I don't know. Okay, so now installing this package and adding the all dependency entire the thing once you complete. Okay, so here we have already one Java full stack class is already open, already created. So now I am creating CMD and code dot, this is the command. You can directly go to the your Visual Studio Code. Okay, now here your Visual Studio Code is open. Now here one command, ng start. Ng start, this is a command. You can start your application. How to start your application? Ng run, npm start. Okay, npm start, otherwise npm start is the ng serve. See, this is a command, this is a building command, npm start. So ng serve is a command, so you can execute your Angular application. Okay, now this is a building. Okay, this is a localhost, h, press h plus enter, show the help. Okay, so now see, this is a command, is a now we can directly go to the I am putting the npm start, so you can execute directly http localhost 4200. I am opening the browser. Otherwise I'm ng serve, this is a command, okay, ng serve, this is a command. You can execute the Angular application. Okay, so now I am putting, okay, so I am putting the localhost 4200. This it will be start the Angular application. This is starting. See, it's loading, it's taking time. See, this is a welcome to Java full stack class. Hello, in Angular 18 version, congratulations, your app is running. See, your app is running and lot of features is running, right? So our application is started, boom. So that type of the application, this is a way you can execute the you can start your Angular application. Okay, so thank you, you can practice on it.